was standing, staying still. Never said what I feel, and every time.
Good day everyone! Today we're going to explore a mixed-use property here in Metro Gate Silang. With a total lot area of 351, it's a through lot property. And with a total floor area or improvement like around 1,500 square meters across 4-story with 9 bedrooms, 9 bathroom, plus an office and a commercial area. This is a through lot with a 5-car garage with a exist lot which considering a open space or a garden, no? Mapapakinabangan mo yung property because katabi siya mismo ng property na ito. As you can see via drone, ang ganda ng location ng property, lalo na yung pinaka roof deck area because yun yung pinaka highlight of the property. But before we start our exploration, I invite you all to hit that subscribe button, click that bell button to get you notified for whenever we release YouTube video. Shout out po kay Mr. Richard Gutierrez ba yun? Ay, kay Mom Island Fizzler, no? Ng Florida Blanca. Ay, Florida Blanca.
Florida, USA.
Florida, USA. Thank you so much for the hat. At napaka-hot, no? Napaka-hot. Yung binigay mo sa aking hat, no? Kaya hot na hot. Thank you so much, Sir Richard. At alam ko magbibigay din si Rosemar. If you're interested or anyone interested to check out this one, guys, selling in the market for 5 million pesos. It's gross, capital gains tax included. Message us today. Now, let's start the exploration of the property from the facade. So you have 2 facade and then a commercial store doon sa kabilang side. Okay, over here, guys, this is the parking area. And then this is the facade of the property. So across 4 levels. Of course, from there, lahat ng rooms may access sa balcony. And then right there, you have the garden and the green. So you have a clinic over here. So tama-tama sa mga nagdidream magkaroon ng kanilang sariling clinic. Okay? Yeah, you have the area there na which later on mo mapapakinabangan. Then dito sa loob ng Metro Gate Silang, meron dito ang FEU school. Kaya prone, no? Or prone siya sa commercial. No? Prone sa commercial, sa market. Now, tingnan natin the other side, guys. Let's go. Over to my right side, you have the garden and the parking along the street. And then you have a store, no? Which sa pinaka-end ng video, titingnan natin, no? This is the first phase and then the other second phase doon sa kabilang side. So, you have like the 2 facade of the property. Now, tingnan natin the pinaka-lounge area. Okay, let's go, Benji. Okay, dito ako papasok. Anyway, guys. Okay, so you have a door over here all the way. Dito sa yung pinaka like a den area. Look. Okay? So you have the den. Of course, you have air conditioning in it. By the way, no, it's a fully furnished property. Anything you see, it stays. Now, over here, you have refrigerator and then nice wall design. You have a small kitchen. And then a toilet and bath with shower. Of course, it has a water heater. Check us out with bidet. Now, tingnan natin the other side, the lounge area. Okay, follow me. Shout out po sa lahat ng nanonood ng ating YouTube channel. Alright, maaaring puntahan namin kayo sa bahay nyo at i-house tour natin ang bahay nyo. Okay. Okay, let's go. Kaya pa ba ng ating mahal na Philippines? Okay, now, together we'll check out your new building, your new property, or your capital and ordinary asset here in the Philippines. Let's go, Benji.
Here comes trouble, putting on a show. Like a domino, I fall. Another bottle, don't know what to say. Send me on my way to you.
Your lounge area. So right now, meron ka na ditong this is your Christmas tree. And then you have a kitchen and a bathroom. So you have a monitor over here. And then a console table. You have a French sliding door, glass door, and you have street counter with wash area. Bodega, the shower area with the water heater. No, check this out. I think this is the powder room. Oh, check this one.
Ganda.
Okay, now, okay, this is the first phase, guys. No, later on we'll check out the second and then the other phase of the property. Okay, yung hagdanan dito, tamang-tama lang. Kaya this is a mixed-use property. Marami itong pakinabang, lalo na sa to generate income or your dwelling area. Pwede gawing clinic or like a hospital, pwede din. Or like an office or a corporate center, pwede rin ito. Okay, you have a big hallway over here all the way to the bedrooms. And right now, ginagamit nila ito as like Airbnb. Now, right here, the room with the tables and chairs. Of course, you have a refrigerator. So, it's fully furnished. Anything you see stays. So, you have like, this is the first bedroom. Okay, so you have a king-size bed. You have access sa balkonahe. You have aircon. Okay, high ceiling. So, you have modern smart TV over here. And then you have a wash area, shower. And then the water closet here. And then on the other side, you have a cabinet. Now, tingnan natin the other side. This is the first room. Again, you have the hallway, Valley Zone Staycation. Okay, you have a storage. Then additional room over here. So you have a seating area. You have a microwave, access sa balkonahe. And then the porcher area. Then the second bedroom. Right now, you have a king-size bed. You have air conditioning unit. You have a cabinet, shower, and a water closet separated with a water heater over here. Okay, the same features and fixtures of the property, guys. At kung gusto niyo itong makita personal, so location nitong Metro Gate Silang, it's 5 minutes away to Cavite Laguna Expressway. That's why very accessible. Going to Metro Tagaytay, like 10 minutes driving away. Of course, dito sa paligid ng Metro Gate Silang, napakadaming mga commerce area. Daming mga restaurants, may malls, hospitals, di ba?
Yeah.
And then, the good thing, this is a flood-free community dahil nasa mountainous area tayo ng Cavite, no? Now, right here, the third bedroom with the access sa balcony, then right here, you have a big-size bed, you have tables, and then a couch, then you have a smart TV, and then access all the way to the balcony, which is here. So, maganda dito, lahat ng room, mayroon siyang toilet and bath separated. Look at this one. By the way, guys, if you have property for sale and things like this, do not hesitate to message us on the numbers below. So, the same thing, we will broadcast your capital asset or your ordinary asset for free. Alright, kung meron kayong mga farmhouses, guys, message us now. Or a brand new property na gusto nyo pong i-film with us here in our YouTube channel. Alright, so over here, the fourth room. Alright, so upon entering, so you have a cabinet over here, 6-seaters dining table. So you have a shower and a separate kitchen. Okay, the walls. Okay, these are permanent walls. It's a CHB. Of course, dito sa taas, this is a slab. Okay, so matibay yan. So imagine this property like less than 10-year-old. But you know guys, the effectivity and the actual age, ang ganda pa rin, di ba? Imagine, naalagaan because meron siyang maintenance. Okay? So, yung value niya, laging nagmamahal, you know, because that is the power of real estate. The value of the property always appreciates. Never depreciate the value of the real estate. Maliban lamang kung napapabayaan. But this one, nakitang-kita niyo naman, di ba?
Yeah.
Alagang-alaga, buy sell ka. Now, let's go. Over here. Alright, over here. Shower. Now, okay, this is the third level. As you can see, yung size ng hagdanan. Hagdanan pa lang, no? Panalo na because of the size, the thread, the rake. Of course, senyorita kaya friendly sa mga lolo at mga lola. Now, right here, additional room. Upon entering, guys, you have 4-seaters dining table, a microwave, refrigerator, which is a space. Now, you have a cabinet, a king-size bed. But of course, you have a upuan over here. And then, like a L-shaped balcony. Plus, you have an air conditioning unit. You have a smart TV. You have a shower. You have a water closet with a water heater right there with bidet. Okay, bidet is very important, you know. Siyempre, yung waste. Alam mo yung waste?
Yes.
What do you call that one? This is fecalysis, right?
Yeah.
Ubak noong ko. Ate, magpay. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, over here. Okay, this is the last room, but which pupuntahan natin yan later on. Right, over here again, no? So this is the third level. Yung second level and the third level, the layout is the same. No, the same layout, the same pattern. And then inclusions, anything you see stays. Again, you have a 4-seaters dining table, you have a refrigerator. Okay, the walls, this is a permanent structure. This is not a drywall, this is a hollow block. Talaga namang long lasting. As you can see, napaka-festive nung pinaka-kulay, no? You have like red, you have a maroon, then you have like a gray, and then a white shade. Wow, multicolor. I love it. Very happy property, right? No?
Yeah.
Napaka ano?
Linis.
Ha?
Linis.
At saka yung masigla, no? Nakakatuwa. Lalo na mga Shahon Chai Lao, Lao Ai Ni, Lao Ai Ni, Lao Ai Ni. No, not Lao Ai Ni, guys. Ni Hao Ma, Lao Ai Ni. Do you watch me Lao Ai Ni? Alright, guys. This is good. Okay, so you have a big size bed. Of course, you have a shower and a cabinet over here with a water heater. Okay, but we have to check out the water pressure.
Yeah.
Would you?
That is very...
Now, tingnan natin. Ay, guys, look oh. No way problema sa agua oxinada. No way problema sa agua. Ang lakas. Super lakas ng water. Okay, let's just check out the other room which is over here. Okay, upon entering, so right here, you have a shower. And then you have a water closet with bidet. Plus a big space over here. Sleek, clean, and very fresh. I love the vibe, guys. Super nice. What do you think, Benji?
Yeah.
Ha?
Magaan.
No? Magaan sa feeling, right? Magaan sa feeling. Para kang nakapalmulive. Okay, now, we'll check out the other room. Imagine, this property has 9 bedrooms. So you have a store outside, which later on, titignan natin. Okay, right here, I think this is the more spacious room. So you have a kitchen. Okay, you have a chairs, tables. Of course, you have a microwave. Then right here, wow, you have a single bed. Of course, you have a shower with a water heater and a smart TV. Inside, Metro Gates silang. So you have like a golf range, you have a jungle pool, you have a school, plenty of amenities. And then the location is very accessible. In the heart of Silang, Cavite. Paglabas mo, welcome to McDonald's. Yung paglabas mo, di ba?
Yeah.
Kita-kita nyo naman. Anyway guys, no, kung nag-enjoy kayo today sa ating house tour, this is real time. Kung ano nakikita nyo, eto na yon. At mararamdaman nyo naman yan eh, di ba? Lalo na kung nakikinig kayo at nanonood kayo ng ating house tour. So, alam nyo yan. Feel nyo yan. Imagine, this property has a total floor area of 1,500 square meters, selling in the market for 50 million pesos. If you're interested, or anyone interested, share this video sa inyong friends, immediate, extended, enlarged family looking a property here in the Republic of the Philippines. Now, right over here, you have 2 beds. Of course, you have e-access papunta sa balcony as you can see via drone. Ang ganda ng property, di ba, Benji? No? Wala kang masabi? Because this is a through lot, meaning you have like big space or the facade of the property, left facade, and then the right facade, of course, you have a garden na extra mile, no? Mayroon siyang extra space na kung gagawin mo siyang coffee shop, meron kang garden outside, di ba? Sa madalang lang tayo may property na tulad neto. Kaya sulit-sulit siya. Kasi lahat ng rooms, meron siyang mga bedrooms. Of course, the structural, guys, makikita nyo naman, maganda, no? I-absorb nyo na lang. So, tamang-tama ito as, kunwari, call center. Di ba?
Yeah.
Or a clinic. Or a hospital. Or organization. No? Depende, no? Sa gamit. Because this is a mixed-use property. Ito yung pinakamagandang portion because from there, you have a 360 view of the project. Right? Ginabi na tayo. Okay, so from here, you have, okay, first thing is you have 6-seaters dining table, sliding glass doors, and then with screen, ang ganda ng weather. So you have kitchen, this is the bar area, you have a cabinet, And then, you have like office switches over there. No, tingnan natin to. Okay? Over here, ang ganda ng floor tiles, oh. So, you have the access papunta din sa balcony. You have shower over here. Tingnan natin. You have shower with a water heater. Ang ganda din ng mga floor tiles.
Modern.
Yeah, mga bottom tiles ang ganda.
Modern siya.
Okay. Then, over here, you have the den. Alright. At saka maglalaro tayo. Alright. Imagine. Pang. What do you think, Benji? Diba? Sobrang solid yung property, no? Okay. Ito yung pinakamagandang portion of the property. Imagine, this is your play area. Right. Anong tawag dun sa laro na ganito? Meron sinabi si ma'am sa akin ako. Anyway guys, comment down below. No. Okay. So ito yung play area. So from here, makikita mo na yung neighborhood. Okay, yung mountain ng Tagaytay. And then the golf area, the clubhouse, which andun lang. And then the swimming pool, which is over there. Plus, from here, you have the view of the neighborhood. Ang ganda ng breeze. Ang laki ng property. Nakaka-in-love. Gusto ko nang ma-in-love. Thank you, Jesus, for giving us the opportunity, Lord. Lalo na sa profession na tulad na ganito, nag-i-enjoy kami kahit mahirap. Basta gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, guys, kahit mahirap siya. Hindi ka nakakaramdam ng hirap, di ba? O ng pagod. Di ba?
Yes.
And of course, nakikita mo din yung smile ng ating mga clients. No? Lalo na pag bumibili sila, nagsasign ng contract na kung sila ay napakasaya. Napakaganda ng kanilang experience. The best experience na mayroon sila sa kanilang buhay ang pag-buy ng real estate through rbiladrealty.com.ph. Now, right there, you have chairs, tables. After ng laro, so you have chairs and tables. You have a garden over here. You have light. And then, what more you can ask for? No, we're not done yet because we have to check out the other face of the property, no? As promised. The other face kasi, the first face lang yung nakita natin, but right now, we have to check out the second and then the third face. Okay, let's go, Benji. As promised, ito yung other face and then other feature of the property, guys. So you have like balcony over here, the den, and then the office again. Uy, kasagad sa akong mga tuhod. Okay, ito, for me, guys, maganda tong gawing like Dharma clinic. Diba?
Yeah.
Okay, follow me. Okay, a frosted glass over here. Okay. Alright. Okay, so, diba? Pwedeng derm clinic, pwedeng spa, pwedeng etc. See? Alright, diba? Mayroon ka ng clinic, mayroon kang derma, etc. Madami din siyang gawa because madami siyang gamit. Okay, then you have a toilet over here in the kitchen. Ganang gupit ko ha.
Yan po.
Right, your shower area, guys, and your water area, your powder room. So this is your clinic. So one-way mirror, hindi ka nakikita sa labas, pero yung out sa labas nakikita, no? Galing sa loob.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Again, your garden area, and then the parking on the street. So you have, imagine kung mayroon ka dito like a coffee shop or a bed and breakfast. What do you think? Diba? Pwede siyang gawin yung bed and breakfast. Now, then you have a garden over here. And then all the way to going to the swimming pool. Napakalapit lang din. Pwede lakarin. At pwede rin mag-tumbling lang going there, no? Have you tried tumbling there, going there?
Yeah.
By the way, guys, this property is selling in the market for 55 million pesos. If you are interested or anyone interested, message us today. Okay, now, itong isang portion na to. So, this is the facade with a view ng east side. Guys, right now, malaking-malaki yan siya. But once when you decide ocular, so pwede natin tingnan yan. So you have a big space there. And then you have a balcony over here. Ang ganda. And then imagine, ang ganda ng hagdanan, no? You have a grand staircase. And then right here, okay. Okay, so you have, and right now, meron silang, okay, alright, meron kang mini store. Pero, okay, so you have a display area. For me, maganda to siyang gawing like pharmacy. Diba? Pharmacy or ano pa? So, marami, no? Coffee shop din. So, etc. It's a multifunctional area. Pwede rin siyang gawin like yung mga pie cake house. Cake house. Matiting Benji.
Yeah.
Shout out kay Ma'am Cecilia, yung owner ng pie cake, no?
Yeah.
Baka pwede nyo pong ma-acquire itong property nito, guys. And then over here, you have a bed. And then you have a storage area. You have access. And then additional bed over here. Then we have a shower, which is over there.
Men's room, no?
Yeah, ang sarap ng dragon fruit. Okay. Okay, so we're done, no? So we will proceed upstairs to give you the recap of this property for sale. Okay, let's go, Benji.
Here comes trouble, putting on a show. Like a domino, I fall. Another bottle.
Before we end our massive mixed-use property house tour dito po sa Metro Gate Silang, Cavite, thank you so much to the seller for giving us the right to sell for this property, and of course to our listing agents na nagdala sa atin dito po sa property na ito. So again, this one with a total lot area of 351 square meters across 4 levels with 1,500 square meters in total improvement. It's a Torrens title, free from any liens, free from any encumbrances, selling in the market for 15 pesos. If you're interested or anyone interested, message us today on the numbers visible on the screen. Once again, my name is Ray and I hope to see you in our next video. Daghang salamat, gracias amigo, amiga all over the globe. Thank you so much and God bless everyone.
Eyes wide open, holding out for you. Tell me that it's true. Oh. Did you notice? I saw you over there, looking like a heartbreaker. I know you're all that I want, but I don't even know your name. So don't go and leave me lonely. I'll show you another way. And you say it's a one